Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, my students. Today, inshallah, we have a new sound. Here are our objectives for today. Number one, we are going to identify the sound. Number two, we are going to recognize the sound in words. Number three, we are going to write the sound in 4 lines. Then we are going to blend sounds to read a word. So we are going to work in sounds and spelling book. Okay, are you ready? Great. Here, as a warm-up, I'm going to throw this dice. Here we have how many balloons? We have 6 balloons. Okay, and in each one has a sound. Okay, when I throw the dice, you are gonna to name the sound. For example, if we have here up we have one, so you are gonna to name this one. If it is 4, you are gonna to name the sound in this balloon. Okay, my students, are you ready? Let's do one for you. What is it? So here we have 1. So you are going to name this one. Ah, excellent. Very good. Okay, we are going to complete this one in the class. Now let's help this monkey. You are helpful. This monkey wants you to help. You are going to help this monkey, okay, to read this word. Look here. What do we have? What's this? Huh, very good. Then E. Excellent. Then So can you read the word? Let's help the monkey. Pin. Very good. Oh, look at the monkey now. Happy. Yes. So here with the word pin. Okay, now there is another monkey with another word. Okay, can you be helpful? What's this? S. E. Then T. Can you read the word? Sit. Very good. And here is the picture for it. Sit. Sit. Now let's introduce the new sound for you. Here is the picture. You are going to listen to the teacher. We have a story. Look at the picture and listen to the story. Hold your arms. It's time to have a story. Listen. Okay. Let's take the pointer. In a very dark night with a bright moon, Mazin and his friends Munir and Mahir were camping in a dark forest. Mazin said to his friends, let's have fun. I'm going to play with my guitar. While Munir was listening to the music, okay, he was drinking some milk with his favorite mug in his favorite mug. Okay, then their friend Maher joined with them with a very large map on his hands. He said to them, "Look, this is a map." Then Munir said to them, "Look, monkey on the tree." And the monkey wants his banana. The mouse takes its banana. And all of them laughed at the monkey. Ha 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 ha. So today we have the sound very good. Moon, monkey, milk, mug, mouse, map. Look at the action of the sound. Look here. Okay. Look. Okay, again. And please do the action. Mm, mm. Okay, my students. Now it's time to listen and repeat. Listen to this word. Okay, to these words and repeat. Okay, are you ready? Listen.
Unit 2, recording 2.6. Look, listen and repeat. Moon,
Moon,
monkey,
monkey,
milk,
milk,
mug,
mug,
mouse,
mouse,
map.
map. Okay, my students. Now it's time to listen and chant. Listen.
Unit 2, recording 2.7. Listen and chant.
Okay, now it's your turn. You are gonna to chant. Okay, my students.
Unit 2, recording 2.8. Now you chant.
Let's do it together. Stand up. Mm, mm, moon. Mm, mm, monkey. Mm, mm, milk. Mm, mm, mug. Mm, mm, mouse. Mm, mm, map. Okay. So today we have the sound. Mm, very good. Let's go. Okay. Now here, listen and repeat. So now we are going to recognize the sound in words. What do we have here? What is it? Map. Very good. Huh? Moon. Excellent. Milk. Mug. Now let's listen and check our answer. Okay, my students? Listen.
Unit 2, recording 2.9. Listen and repeat. Circle. 1. Map.
Okay. Map. So here we are going to circle the sound. Very good. Now listen to number 2.
2. Mm. Moon.
Hmm? Moon. Yes, where's the sound? Who can come and circle the sound? Very good. Now the third one.
3. Mm. Milk.
Milk. Very good. This is the
4.
sound.
Mm. Mug.
Hmm? Mm. Mug. Very good. And here we circle the sound. Now let's see how can we write the sound here. Okay, so down, up, round, down, up, round, down, flick. I don't like this one. I'm gonna erase it and write it again. Okay, let's see. Okay, down, up, round, down, up, round, down, flick. Now, how can we write it in 4 lines? Line number 1? No. Line number 2? Yes. So here, this place, turtle place. Okay, from line number 2 till 3. Down, up, round, down. Okay, so as we said here, down, then down, then up, round, down, flick. Okay, now can you write the sound in your book? Question number 4, trace and copy. Okay, so you are going to trace this one, then you are going to write start from dot. Okay, my students. Now for more practice here, task number 5, you are going to look and write, listen and say. Okay, look at this one. Here we have monkey and here we have mouse. Okay, so listen to this task. Listen.
Unit 2. Recording 2.9.
Sorry.
Listen. Unit 2. Recording 2.10. Look and write. Listen and say. 1. Monkey.
So, monkey. So you are gonna to trace this one. You are gonna to write the sound. Okay. Up, down, flick. And then the second one.
2. Mouse.
Mouse. So here you are gonna to write the sound down, up, round, down, flick. Okay. Mouse. Okay. Now let's blend these sounds to make a word. Here we have 3 mice. Okay. You are going to blend the sounds in these 3 mice to make a word. Okay, the first mouse, it has the sound very good. The second one, excellent. The third one, very good. Now, can you read the word? Man, very good. And here we have a man. This is man. Okay, now let's see the second one. Okay, what do we have? Mm, very good. A, huh, pa. Very good. Now read. A, p. Map. Very good. So what do we have here? What's this? Map. This is the word map. Okay, my students? Good. Now let's see here in your book. We have task number 6. We are gonna also to blend these sounds to make a word. Okay. So here we have, for example, a p map. So here you are gonna to write the word map. Look here, this is the picture for map. Okay, can you do number 2? Try before listening to this one. How can you do it? At. Can you read it? Mat. Very good. Okay, now listen. Listen.
Unit 2, recording 2.11. Listen, follow, and say. Right. Ah. Map.
First one, map.
Ah. Mat.
So, what is it? Mat. So, here you are going to write the word mat. Okay, down, up, down. Then we are going to write the sound a, round, up, down, flick. Then we are going to write the sound t. Okay, like this. Mat. Okay, now what about the last one? Listen.
Ah. Man.
So what's this? Man. So here you are going to write the word man in 4 lines. Can you do it, my students? In 4 lines, sorry. Can you do it? Good. Okay. Now, the last task for today, you are going to look at this picture and I want you to say the initial sound, the first sound, okay, my students, of this picture. Then you are going to read the word of this picture. Okay, my students? Are you ready? Look. Huh? Very good. So what is it? What is the word of this picture? What's this? A man. Very good. Now look at this picture. Huh? What is the initial sound? T. Very good. Now can you read the word? T. E. Tin. Very good. So that's all. So this reward is tin. So that's all for today, my students. Goodbye.